Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to upload medical certificate in Marina Mismo, full guide. Start by logging into your Marina Mismo account and navigating to the medical documents section. Click the upload button, select your cleared image or PDF, and confirm the file name matches your ID. Add appointment or license numbers as requested, then save and await confirmation email. If errors occur, retry with a smaller file size or contact support through the Help menu for guidance. Before uploading, optimize your file for Marina Mismo to avoid rejection. Use a scanner or a steady phone photo with good lighting to capture all details, signatures, and stamps. Convert to PDF if possible and check that text is readable at 100% zoom. If the system rejects the file for size, use a trusted compressor, then recheck legibility and file name accuracy before uploading again to prevent unnecessary delays. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like for more practical guides. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is great for staying hydrated during long uploads, clinic trips, or paperwork sessions, and it fits easily in bag pockets while you manage tasks. I use it when waiting for confirmations, and it keeps drinks cold all day. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Follow these precise steps to upload smoothly in Marina Mismo. Go to Medical Documents, choose Add New, then pick the certificate type from the drop-down. Enter practitioner name and issuance date exactly as on the form, attach the optimized file, and preview to confirm clarity. Hit Submit and wait for the system confirmation. If you receive an error, correct the field indicated and retry quickly to finish the upload successfully.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.